Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and here is, well, my other half, Marie.
The best half.
And we're gonna do some crafts here today, so follow along as we make some cool craft ideas from Pinterest. Yeah. All right, so what we're gonna do is we've got these old TV tray tops. Got Marie with a hammer, so I'm a little nervous. But we've got an old kitchen table piece here, and we've got an old door. And we're gonna make these into circular signs. We're gonna cut them, then we're gonna sand them down, we're gonna paint half of it, and then we're gonna put a nice little saying on it. So what Marie's doing right now is an old school technique of making perfect circles without having a lot of tools. So it's a string, a nail, and a marker. So she's just creating the same length of space all the way around this TV tray. You having a little trouble there?
No.
Okay.
You can see it right here.
Perfect. So we're gonna draw those out. I'm gonna use the skill saw. We're gonna cut, or jigsaw, we're gonna cut these all out, sand them down, and we'll go through the process. So first, just getting Marie to make me some circles. Here we go. Alright, while she's over there drawing circles, I'm gonna actually cut these out. I got this nice DeWalt jigsaw, pair of safety glasses. Can never be too safe around Marie. With a pencil or nails or a hammer. Oh yeah, and the jigsaw. So we're just gonna use our wood bit. We're gonna cut this out, and then we can move on to sanding after we get all these circles put in. So let's get started. Alright, so we're going to use our belt sander here just to do the edges, kind of get them as nice as we can. This isn't going to be perfect, but it's worth a try, right? So we'll sand them down, and then we'll use our DeWalt sander to do the flat areas and edge work, and then we can start staining and painting. So let's get started. Alright, we got the edges done. Now we're going to use our DeWalt sander. We're going to scuff sand or sand these all down. Get past this polyurethane so we can stain these. We'll clean up the edges here and we can go from there. So let's get started. Alright, so we got them all sanded down, we've got them wiped down, vacuumed off, and now we can start staining them. So we're going to stain the whole thing. Even if we're going to paint it, we're going to let that stain dry, then we can mark off our lines for where we're going to paint. So first step, let's stain them all. I've got a mini wax, it's called Early American. We're going to do everything, sides, front, back. We're going to start with the back, work our way on the sides, work our way in front, and then we're going to stick it in the sun, let it dry, and then we'll start picking some colors to paint these things, different styles. So let's get started. So we've gotten to the point where we've taped it off, got our idea all set up here. So for this specific board, we're gonna paint everything below this line down and around the edges here. This is gonna stay that natural color. You can see some of this gorgeous green coming through this, so I think this is gonna be a beautiful piece. And well, we're only gonna do 3 today, and then we'll have somebody put the words on it. So this won't get completed today, but we'll let the paint dry, we'll let that stain complete, and then, well, we'll get one step closer. Once we get it written on, I'll show you the end result. Oh yeah, 2 coats of paint. Alright, we had a friend write on some of ours. We still got a couple more out, but here's kind of a variety of what we've got here. A lot of welcome signs. These are going to be really cute. We're expecting actually this month, so little signs. So once we have the baby, we'll put the date, the weight, and the height, and a little name on here. That's going to be really cool. Some of these we've already sold, and some more on the way, which is kind of cool. I'll do a nice close-up of these for you. If you like this project and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and well, give this a try at your own house.